Now, let us talk about art as a weapon, as a political weapon. Because I basically believe that art has to be political. When there is bombing happening, you don't sit in your studio and paint flowers. You have to be...
Unless the flowers are dying.
Unless the flowers are dying. So you have to be responsive. And I get very surprised when recently one of the very famous Bollywood stars, when he was asked to give an opinion, he said, no, I'm an actor, I'm an artist, I'm apolitical.
You cannot. Listen, in today's world, what you eat is a political act. What you wear is a political act. The kind of spectacles you use is a political act. We are back in Swaraj. I mean, if I'm wearing branded clothes, then I am a goon of the capitalist brand managers. If I wear khadi or if I wear something that's hand embroidered, I am making a statement. If I don't wear silver, but I wear a bangle that is sculpted by a sculptor friend of mine, that is a political statement. If I try and eat locally, that is a political statement.
You are a complete walking, talking political
No,
statement.
but what I'm saying is anybody saying I am apolitical is a liar.
That basically means that he's scared
It's a
of power.
cop-out. It's a cop-out.
He's scared of power and he wants to basically have a little tongue and the fit of the power. Yeah.
But you know, if you want to be open, you have to realize that all your monies will dry up.
Yeah.
All grants will go. In my case, all invitations to perform will go. Yeah. Nobody in any official position will take a phone call from you. No. You have to be prepared for that. Yeah. And your staff has to be prepared for that. Yeah. And the staff that is scared has to go. Yeah. So, I mean, I have lived through this for 20 years.